to everyone that's out there. Happy Friday, TGIF. I hope everyone is enjoying enjoyed their week, their Friday. I hope everyone is going to enjoy and have a great weekend. I'm outside with the kids. Hey, Cicely! First person showing up. How you doing? So what I want to talk to you guys about is, this is what I got in the mail. I finally made it to the mailbox. I haven't been out because of everything that's going on, but what I want to do is I'm going to open up some of this and we're going to have a conversation about traffic and how I'm going to be helping people to make a change this year. This is your year, guys. For all of those who are trying to make, hey Tanya, guys, let me know where you're tuning in from. If you are watching this later on in the day, hashtag replay for me. Yes, so what I want to do is just give a shout out to all of my teammates that actually came into my business, into my organization this week. I just want to say congratulations to all. I'm not going to say no names because I don't want to forget nobody. Hey, Steven, and have somebody feeling some type of way. So what we're going to do is we have one person here that joined. I have some great news for you guys. And I had a meeting this week and I announced how I'm giving out a $10,000 giveaway to some of my teammates. And I'm so excited about it because in this industry, when you can, it is about giving back. You know, you always want to give back, but not only that, I'm showing people how to really generate traffic and put their business on steroids, because let's face it, traffic is the blood of your business. If you don't have it, you don't have a business. Hey, Jenny, thanks for tuning in. Let me know where you guys are tuning in from. Jenny, where you tuning in from? So I have a $20 money order that came in from Shamika. She joined at one of the levels in my program. Thanks so much for joining. Glad to have you a part of the team. We have another envelope here that came in. Hey, Calvina. Hey, Darren. Thanks so much for tuning in, guys. I'm outside. I'm going to show you guys the view. It is amazing over here where I'm at. It's like a little trail. So if it's kind of windy today, but we have like a little trail. If you want to take the kids for a walk, you can walk, and there's like little ducks out here, and the water is absolutely beautiful. Hey, April. Hey, April. Thanks for tuning in, sweetie. So I have another person that joined. Let's see what level they came in at. This is from Choppin from California. Last name Choppin. I can't pronounce the first name, so I'm not going to butcher it. But this person came in at the Sapphire level. I have a $100 payout here and 2 books of stamps. Thanks so much. Glad to have you a part of the team. I'm trying to make sure nothing flies away because it is definitely windy out here. And guys, you're not gonna believe what I got in the mail. I got a little joke. I got something that came in the mail today that I wasn't even expecting. It's so funny. But also, let's see what else I have here. I received guys, those that are waiting for their stimulus payments. I guess they started sending them out. Trump started sending us that's in the U.S. our money that we highly deserve. So I got a $2,200, my $2,200 stimulus. Thank you, Donald Trump. After 3 months. But also what I want to tell people is, even though we're not getting a ton of mail, like this is all I have, and I only been to the mail once this entire week. Hey, Freddie, we are getting a lot of electronic payments. So here I was able to take out a total of $2,500 today. And this is what I actually took out of the bank today from people who signed up this week. This is just a small portion of it. $2,500, guys. So I'm excited about that. And I tell people all the time, when I'm showing you guys payments, it's really to inspire people, because people don't believe in making money from home. They don't believe in direct mail marketing. They think that it's a scam. It doesn't work. But all I can say is, whatever you put into your business is what you're going to get out. If you're giving it half of your time, half of your attention, you're probably not going to make anything. If you give it all of your time, all of your attention, you are going to make a ton of money. And you just have to be consistent. You know, that's all that it takes. I share my story with people. I let people know that I'm a real person. I don't overhype things, because it's not about hype. Anybody can get online and hype something up and really be doing absolutely nothing with their business. But if you want to make a decent income online, you can do so just by following some really consistent steps that's easy for anybody to follow. It's not anything that's super complicated, but what I realized that most people, they're just missing the consistency part. They don't want to take the time to put the energy into really promoting their business and really getting the word out. But listen, $2,500 I pulled out today on top of making deposits that I received from last week and the money that I have that came in from this week. So what I want people to know is that when you see other people that are making money consistently, that are really pushing their business, they are doing really well because they're consistent. And not only that, they don't move around a lot. They're not like all over the place. 1 week they're trying this, 1 week they're trying that. What you need to really do is focus on your business and just focus on traffic. If you have a good opportunity, traffic is all that you need in order to make it flow, in order to make it work. That's all you need. If it's a good program, if it's going to be around longevity, if you know the owners, they're transparent, that's all that you need. And then you just have to really focus, engage on the traffic part. Hey, Valencia, thanks for tuning in. Hey, Sheena. Guys, let me know where you're tuning in from. Hey, Jose. So, yeah, like Stephen, yes, consistency is key. So people are like, you know, you did 6 figures a year and, you know, you did that over time. But what people don't know is my first year of actually being consistent, I made $50,000 in profit my first year. So it didn't take long. It wasn't like I was working years before I was able to see a profit. But what I realized is that once I really settled down and I really had my mind set on just working one program and really focusing on getting people to know, like, and trust me, that's when the magic happened. And what people don't understand is that when you first come online or you're doing offline programs, you really have to start from the building stage. So what you have is the roots of your business. So think of it as a tree. You got the roots, which is your foundation, and from your foundation, you go into the trunk of your business, which is the trunk part of the tree, which is the growth phase, the traffic phase. And then you have your branches and you have your leaves and stuff like that. And that's actually considered, that's when you start to see the money flowing in. So think about it like this. When you are building your business, if it was a tree, it's not going to build itself overnight. It takes time. But as long as you're nurturing it, you are working it, you are being consistent, you're showing up every day, and you'll have something that'll be a money-making machine. And before you know it, you'll have hundreds of thousands of dollars just coming in, and you don't have to go back to a daytime job. So hey, Brandy, thanks for tuning in. So what I'm going to do, I'm not going to open up a lot of this. And I'm going to be honest, some of it is junk mail and mail that, you know, that I get from other people. But what I wanted to do was show you guys this lovely view that I have out here, because it's windy today, but the view is just beautiful out here. This is my neighborhood. I live in New York, guys. So we got the ducks sitting back here. Whatever they are, they kind of like a little bit mean today, but this is the water here where I'm at, and it's just so nice out here, especially the days when it's sunny. It's like absolutely beautiful. So this is my view, and I got the kids over here sitting inside of this little, I guess you call it a gazebo or whatever you call it. But yeah, it's really, really nice, and it's nice out today. We haven't had nice weather in a while. So there they go. Hey Daniel, hey Lynn, thanks for tuning in. Hey Carl, guys, let me know where you're tuning in from. Yeah, isn't it, it's Sicily, it's beautiful out here. It looks like it's about to rain, but when it's sunny, there's like a lot of people riding their bikes, and it's just, I'm in downtown, actually. I'm in New York downtown. This is the downtown area, but it's just really nice today. So I just want people to really stay encouraged, and not only that, really, when you are thinking about building your business and you want to join the opportunity, really focusing on mindset, consistency, how you want to run traffic, what's your budget. I tell people all the time, if you don't have a lot of money, you need time. If you don't have time, you need money. So you're going to trade time for money, or you're going to trade money for time. Sometimes people have both. But you have to do what's best for you and what you feel most comfortable doing to build your business, because that's really what it's all about. Hey, Nicole. Yes. So I just want to tell everybody, enjoy your weekend. I'm not going to hold you guys long. I just wanted to show you guys the payments that are coming in, the business is still flowing. Even though a lot of us are on quarantine and we're not really doing much, people are still spending money. People are still building their business, their platform. People are still running traffic. People are still looking for a work from home opportunity. So if you think that people aren't out there spending their money, you think people aren't out there building their business and trying to find something, I get phone calls every single day. I get messages every single day of people that are still looking. So don't allow what we're going through now to make you feel like, you know, there's not money out there, because it is. And you can still do very well even during this time. Probably even better, because people are home. People are nervous. They want something that they don't have to go back to a 9-to-5. Just make sure you get your opportunity out there. And if you need help with traffic, you need a mentor, a coach, I'm here for you. And I want to help you to do well with your business. So thanks so much, guys, for tuning in. Pete's coming all the way from New York. Hey, Mark. Hey, Melanie. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I love you guys. Thank you. I love the accent. That's the being in New York all my life. But yeah, I just love you guys. I want everyone to stay positive, stay blessed, and stay inspired.